हॅलो, एम आय ऑडिबल? आवाज येतोय? प्लीज से yes, no. Okay. Okay, unmute yourself and you can say yes, no. There is
Yes, sir.
no anything. Okay. Can anyone? Hello. Can anyone tell me who is the CR of our division? आपल्या डिव्हिजनचे CR कोण आहेत सांगू शकेल का? Yes. CR कोण आहेत आपल्या डिव्हिजनचे? बी डिव्हिजन, बीटेक बी डिव्हिजन, सॉरी. येस. एम आय ऑडिबल? आवाज येतोय?
उबाळे हर्षवर्धन.
उबाळे हर्षवर्धन. ओके. ओके, उबाळे, are you in the this meeting? हर्षवर्धन उबाळे. Okay, I will request everyone, first of all, please change your name. Now, previously you have written your Google Meet link name is TYB. After that, your roll number and your name. Okay, now you can change with TYB to the BE. Okay, in that, in front of, you should write BB. Okay, just write BB. After that, your roll number and your name. That's it. Understood this one? काय करायचं लक्षात आले सगळ्यांना? येस.
Yes,
जे
sir.
काय गुगल मीटचं नाव आहे सगळ्यांनी चेंज करा. तुमच्या कशा पद्धतीने करणार आहेत तर यू शुड राईट फर्स्ट युअर डिव्हिजन ऑर द इयर. ओके, लाईक आय विल राईट हियर. Below this, I will write. Okay, suppose my division is BTech B. Okay. After that, underscore, I will write my roll number. Suppose 06. After that, I will write my name. Like this, you have to write your roll number as well as name to our Google Meet. Understood this one? सगळ्या लक्षात आलंय कशा पद्धतीने लिहायचंय? I hope you understood this one. Yes, yes, no, please say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ubali, where is that? Ubali, Harshvardhan Ubali. Ubali, Harshvardhan Ubali. Can you unmute yourself? Yes. Harshvardhan. Okay, let it be. We'll start our lecture. Before that, in last lecture, we have started. Okay, again, absent is too much. Only 33 are present. Where is the others? Why they are not joining? They don't want to join the class. Morning session, how many are there? Check.
Yes, sir. 30 to 39.
30 to 39. Okay, now it is reduced 34. Okay. You should join. Okay. Within 10 minutes. Okay, if 10:30 is lecture is there, at least you should join up to 10:40. Okay. 10:30 ला असेल तर 10:40 पर्यंत मॅक्झिमम जॉईन व्हायला पाहिजे. ओके, स्टील सम. ओके, नाउ सम स्टुडंट दे आर जॉईनिंग. and some are not presenting. Okay, I will check today. Those are not absent. Okay, today I will send the letters to, okay, to them. Okay, this is your final year. Okay, you should attend to. Hmm? Okay, let it be. We'll start our today's lecture. Okay, in last lecture we have started our introductory part of robotics and artificial intelligence. Okay, in that we have seen the syllabus structure as well as the examination scheme for our subject. Okay, after that we have seen the course introduction. Okay, next we have seen the course objective and course outcome. These two we have seen. After that we have seen the syllabus, our syllabus of robotics and artificial intelligence. Next session 2, okay, it is related. Section 1, it is related to the robotics, and section 2, it is related to the artificial intelligence. Okay, next we have seen to get that 25 mark means ICA, internal continuous assignment. Okay, we have to complete these 10 experiments. Okay, sir, again in that the first four assignment it is related to the robotics, and the remaining assignment it is related to the artificial intelligence. Next, we have seen the textbooks and the reference books for our subject. Next, we have started. Okay, up to this we have seen in last lecture textbook and reference book, as well as we have seen one video related to the robotics. Okay, uh, the first robot, that Tesla robot, Tesla bot robot, we have seen. Okay, how that functioning of that Tesla robot, again specification of that Tesla robot we have seen in last lecture. Okay, next we have seen also biomimets. Okay, biomimets means similar to the, in universe there are different types of animals, humans are there. Okay, we can produce similar type of mimics means copy of that one. Okay, means we can say that if you, we have seen in last lecture. Okay, the function of dog. Okay, we can produce similar dogs, dog robots for our use. Okay, आपण पाठीमागच्या वेळेस बघितले रोबोट, डॉग बघितला असेल तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी. त्या पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो तर बायोमिमिक्स. बायोमिमिक्स म्हणजे सिमिलर टू दॅट ह्युमन ऑर ॲनिमल वी आर प्रोड्युसिंग द रोबोट. म्हणजे डॉग बघितलं तर त्या पद्धतीने डॉगचं आपण काय केलेलं आहे तर बायोमिमिक तयार केलेलं आहे. ओके, डॉगचं आपण रोबोट क्रिएट केलेले तुम्हाला लास्ट टाइमला मी व्हिडिओ दाखवलेला होता. ओके, नाऊ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विथ द our first unit, introduction to the robotics. Now we will see the syllabus of that robotics. First chapter, introduction of the robotics. In this chapter we will see history and fundamentals of industrial robotics, definition as per ISO and IFR. ISO means International Standard of Organization, and IFR is nothing but International Federal of Robotics, Federation of Robotics. Okay, these two are the uh, uh, definition we will see as per ISO and IFR related to the robotics. Next, we will see the technology evaluation. Okay. Next, components of industrial robotics, configuration, typical specification, current market scenario. Next, after that, we will see the collaborative robots. Okay, it is called as cobots. Collaborative robots means it is combination of human and the machine. Okay, that we will see in the collaborative robot. Service robots might be you have seen. Okay, in movies. Okay, might be you have seen the robot. Okay, in that per hero. Okay, who is the hero of robot movie? You have seen that robot movie. Robot movie बघितले का तुम्ही? Yes. Yes. Okay. Who is the hero in that? कोण आहे hero? कोण सांगू शकेल? Chitti Rajinikanth. Okay, I- Rajinikanth, they have developed or uh, they have developed the one robot similar to the Rajinikanth only. Okay, Rajinikanth सारखाच त्यांनी काय केलेलं होतं रोबोट डेव्हलप केलेलं आहे. ओके, अँड दॅट रोबोट इज युज्ड टू सर्व द वर्क. ओके, फॉर आता तुम्ही जर बघितलं असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी सर्व्हिससाठी म्हणजे कुकिंगसाठी बघितला असेल तो रोबोट, जो काही रोबोट आहे तो कुकिंग करत असलेलं तुम्ही बघितलं असेल. त्याचबरोबर अजून काय केलेले बघितले तुम्ही, एनी अनदर वर्क दे हॅव डन बाय रोबोट. कुठले कुठले वर्क करत होता, कुकिंग केलेलं बघितलं असेल, ड्रायव्हिंग, करेक्ट, ड्रायव्हिंग साठी बघितलं असेल. नेक्स्ट एनी अनदर, अजून काय केलेलं आहे त्यांनी. Okay, driving, dance, okay, correct. Okay, these are the, okay, some example we can say that. Who, defense sector, okay, correct, means that robot is used for the different purposes or service purposes like dancing, driving, again cooking. Okay, these are the examples. AGVs means automated guided vehicles. Okay, might be you have seen. Okay, in industries there are one one way in that only work will flow. ओके, एक स्टँडर्ड प्रोसेस किंवा वे असतो त्या थ्रूच आपले काय असणार तर वर्क फ्लो होत असणार आहे. टू मूव्ह दॅट standard or that object from one place to the another place. Okay, we can use this automated guided vehicles. Means if you load that vehicle and if you instruct to the go to the next machine, it will move that all the, okay, parts, it will move to the next machine. Okay, these are the, we will see one video related to AGVs. Again, there are different types of AGVs are there, okay, in industries. After that, classification, navigation technique, applications, we will see. Next, mobile robots, classification, wheeled and tracked robots. Okay, there are different wheeled robots also there and tracked robots. Okay, means same track, it will move that robot. Okay, autonomous navigation and control methods and application, humanoid robots and biomimets. In last lecture, we have seen the humanoid robots, which is developed by Tesla company, and biomimets. Biomimets we have seen in last lecture, one video. Okay, we will start with the definition of robot as per the ISO and IFR. Okay, आपण सुरुवातीला काय करूया तर, what is mean by robot, why it is needed. Okay, it is defined by international organization. Okay, इंटरनॅशनल ऑर्गनायझेशन एक डेफिनेशन तयार केलेले रोबोट बद्दल. ती म्हणजे काय आहे तर बघूया आपण. इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट might be this kind of robots you have seen in industry or in pictures or videos. Okay, एक पिक्चर किंवा व्हिडिओ मध्ये तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीनं व्हिडिओ बघितले असतील रोबोटची. ओके, वेर यू हॅव सीन दिस, इन विच मूवी कॅन यू फाइंड दॅट. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, कुठं बघितलं असेल, तुम्हाला आठवतंय अशा टाइपचे रोबोट यूज केलेले. येस, ओके, लेट इट. माहित नाही, बघितलेलं नाही कुठल्या मूवी मध्ये किंवा कुठं किंवा इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. हॅव यू सीन automated industry? Okay, you have seen automated industry. Food industry, okay, in food industry also you have seen. Okay, very good. Okay, we will define as per ISO how we can define the industrial robot. The industrial robot is an automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multi-purpose manipulator programmable in 3 or more axes, which can be either fixed in place or mobile for use in industrial automation application. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. काय म्हणतोय बघा तर त्या ठिकाणी इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोटची डेफिनेशन कशी सांगितली आहे, ऑटोमॅटिकली कंट्रोल्ड. ओके, आता ऑटोमॅटिकली कंट्रोल्ड, रिप्रोग्रामेबल, मल्टीपर्पज मॅन्युप्युलेटर. ओके, हॅव्हिंग 3 or more ऍक्सेस, म्हणजे एक ऑटोमॅटिकली कंट्रोल्ड एक डिव्हाइस आहे, त्या डिव्हाइस मध्ये काय करणार आहे तर वी आर प्रोव्हाइडिंग द सम प्रोग्राम or the reprogram, okay, having 3 or more access to that device, and that device it is called as a industrial robot, which can be either fixed in place or mobile to use in industrial autonomy. Means it is fixed in somewhere, or it can be moved from one place to the another place. Well, this is a definition as per the ISO. Next one is the term used in definition, reprogrammable. आता ह्यामध्ये तुम्ही जर बघितल्या तर वेगवेगळ्या टर्म यूज केले आहेत. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय reprogrammable? Now we will see. Okay, आता reprogrammable means we can say that designed so that the programmed motion or auxiliary motion can be changed without physical alternative alternation. Okay, next, multi-purpose, capable of being adapted to a different application with physical alt- alternation. Physical alternation of the mechanical system. The mechanical system does not include storage, media, ROMs, etc. Okay, next, axis might be you have seen the XY axis. Similar axis it is present in our robots also. Direction used to specify the robot motion in a linear or rotary mode. Okay, next, service robot. These are the some service robot. The service robot, okay, how can define as per the ISO standards? Okay, service robot ची डेफिनेशन कशा ISO स्टँडर्ड नुसार तर त्या ठिकाणी तर it is a robot that perform useful tasks for a human or equipment excluding industrial automation application. Okay, means एक अशा पद्धतीचा रोबो जो काय करणार आहे तर त्या ठिकाणी ह्युमनला युजफुल टास्क म्हणजे तुम्ही पाठीमागच्या एक्झाम्पल आपण बघितलेलं आहे रोबोट मध्ये. ओके, नाऊ वी हॅव सीन, okay, that in movie that Rajinikanth robo, it is preparing food, again dancing, driving car. Okay, it is helping to the human. Okay, that perform the useful work to the human. Understood? Means we can say that service robot are the those robots which useful for use is used to perform useful tasks for the human. Okay, next one is the, okay, these are the some of the, okay, service robot. Okay, cleaning machine, okay, autonomous cleaning, okay, ANT driven cleaning at a floor. Okay, these are the some cleaning robots used for the service robot used for the industry. Next, these are the service robot used in मेडिकल सेक्टर मध्येही अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी बघू शकला. ओके, next we will see the main reason for investigating in robot. Why these robots are developed? Humans are there, then why we need to develop the robot? Can anyone tell me? कोण सांगू शकेल? आता ह्युमन आहेत तरी रोबोट का डेव्हलप केले? Yes, to make work easier. Okay, again, can anyone tell me? Yes, any another? कशासाठी डेव्हलप केले रोबोट? आता ह्युमन तर आहेत, तर रोबोटची काय गरज आहे आपल्याला? कोण सांगेल? Why it is needed to develop the robots? To reduce human error, reducing human effort, correct? Again, for precise work, good. Okay, means if you want to develop some say any part, okay, in that part having some, okay, some errors, okay, to develop that part having some errors, or the it is not accurate. To produce accurate part we require the machine. Okay, as well as machine having, okay, we can say that perform more number, or the we can say that maximum time we can utilize for the machines as human is doing for 8 hours working, machine can do work for 24 hours. Okay. Similar way, okay, we will see increased flexibility to quickly adapt and respond to change. Okay. Again, improve resilience to deal with production peak and withstand system shocks such as COVID-19. Okay, again, you have seen in pandemic situation, COVID situation. Okay, many companies or the students they have developed these robots to serve the in hospitals. Okay, means that precaution we should take. म्हणजे तुम्ही बघितलं असेल तर मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये की एखाद्याला कोरोना झाला तर मॅक्झिमम कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये जर एखादा व्यक्ती झाला तर त्यालाही तो काय होत होता तर कोरोनाचा लागण किंवा जे काही कोरोना आहे तो इन्फेक्ट होत होता. मग त्यावेळेस आपण काय करू शकतो तर we can develop such a robot to serve that tablets to that patient. Okay, त्या पेशंटला टॅबलेट्स प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी आपण ह्या अशा पद्धतीच्या रोबोटची आपण यूज करू शकणार. अंडरस्टूड. अगेन, हॅव यू सीन द इन COVID-19 सच अ रोबोट्स टू सर्व? ओके, तुम्ही बघितलेत का अशा पद्धतीचे रोबोट जे सर्व करत होते? In new channels might be, I have seen that in some new channels, okay, that similar robots, okay, they are serving to the hospitals. Okay, serve to the patient some tablets or the injections. You have seen that? तुम्ही बघितले का असे COVID-19 चे हॉस्पिटल मध्ये यूज करणारे रोबोट्स? Yes, please say yes, no. Have you seen? बघितलेत का तुम्ही? Yes. No, you have not seen. Okay, let we will see. Okay, let we will finish and we will see in YouTube whether that any robot is there. Okay, next, energy and resource efficiently through optimized performance. We can reduce the okay material wastage, increase yield, reduce energy consumption. Means we can with minimum price we can produce that any object. Okay, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी जर एखादं विथ मॅक्झिमम अॅक्युरेसीने एखादं काम होत असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी वेस्टेज ही काय असणार आहे, मटेरियल वेस्टेज ही काय असणार आहे तर कमी असेल. ओके, इम्प्रूव्ह प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी अँड सपोर्ट फॉर द मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग एम्प्लॉईज, इम्प्रूव्ह क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क. ओके, ॲज ह्युमन डुईंग सम ओके एरर बट मशीन कॅनॉट डू दॅट एरर्स इन द ओके इन दॅट वर्क. ओके, तुम्ही बघितलं असेल तर तुम्ही एखादं मशीनच्या साहाय्याने तुम्ही तुम्ही काय केलं तर स्वतः तुम्ही एखादी गोष्ट मेजर केली आणि ह्युमन मशीनच्या साहाय्याने मेजर केली. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सांगायचं झालं तर त्या ठिकाणी जर यू हॅव सीन द पॅन्स, ओके, डिजिटल पॅन्स अँड द अगेन our ट्रॅडिशनल पॅन्स ऑर द वेट मशीन, वेट मेजरिंग मशीन. तुम्ही वेट मेजरिंग मशीन बघितलं असेल पहिल्या वेळेस कशा होते तर तराजू तुम्ही बघितलं असेल. This is the traditional method, and nowadays there is digital. Which one is the accurate, digital, that weight measuring machine, or the previous one? Which one is the more accurate? कुठलं accurate असेल, डिजिटल असेल का अॅनालॉग असेल जे आपण यूज करत होतो? तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर इफ यू गो टू द स्टेशनरी or the any तुम्ही जर स्टेशनरी दुकानात गेला असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही बघू शकता नाउ डे दे आर युझिंग द ओके वेअर मोर ट्रस्ट ऑन द दॅट डिजिटल वेट मेजरिंग मशीन्स. Okay, reduce operation and capital cost, correct? Improve product quality. Okay, save space in high value manufacturing area. Okay, now we will see the industrial robots and technology evolution. Okay, before that we will see the in COVID-19 is any robots. Okay, you can see this. This robot is using COVID-19. Serve to the patient. You can see that. You can see this humanoid robot nurse. China has developed such kind of technologies. I will provide this link to you. Otherwise, you can go to the YouTube and you can search. Okay. COVID-19 robots. You can find. Understood? We'll move to the next part. Okay, now we will see the history of industrial robot and technology evaluation. Okay, from yes, I will open this. And this website is International Federation of Robot (IFR). Okay, from this you can get the the history of that. Okay, the first robot when it is developed to the till date. What is the innovation in that robotics? Okay, we will start with the. You can see here the first robot. It is developed in 1959. Okay, development of the first industrial robot by George Devere and Joseph. Okay, these two person they have developed first robot. Okay, for which purpose they have developed? It two tons, weighted 2 tons, and was controlled by a program on a magnetic drum. They used a hydraulic actuator and were programmed in joint coordinates. Okay, means this first robot, the weight of this first robot, it is near about 2 tons. Okay, 2 ton एवढं काय असणार आहे तर त्याचं वेट होतं. And it is programmed by, and it is the actuators used in that uh, robot is hydraulics actuators are used in that robot. Okay, the first you can remember this thing. Okay, the first robot it is developed in the 1959. Okay, next after that the second robot it is developed in 1961. Unimation installed the first industrial robot at GM. Okay, the world first industrial was robot used on a production line at the GM. Okay, these are the first robot it is developed in first time for industrial purpose. Okay, next after that the third one, the first cylindrical robot, the Vrastan from AMF 1962. It is developed by the, okay, we'll check the, some video is there related. Okay, okay, this is developed by the American Machine and Foundry AMF. Okay, it is developed by the AMF and at the Ford factory in USA. ओके युएसए मध्ये काय केलेले तर हा रोबोट डेव्हलप केले अमेरिकन फॅक्टरीमध्ये. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दॅट द फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट इन युरोप. म्हणजे युरोपमध्ये पहिला इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट. यू कॅन सी दिस वन इमेज ऑफ दिस वन. इट इज डेव्हलप्ड इन 1962. This the first industrial robot in Europe, a Unimate, was installed in Sweden. Okay, Sweden मध्ये this is the some state in the Sweden. Okay, it is developed in Sweden. Okay, this industrial robot in 1967. After that, it is developed by again Tentat Acton. Arm was developed by Marvin Minsky. Okay, again you can see this some arm having arm type of robot. It is developed in 1968. Okay, might be this having one video. Like we will see. Okay. You can see this. First arm means it is a hand. पहिला रोबोट फर्स्ट आर्म असलेला जो डेव्हलप केलेला आहे. तुम्ही बघू शकता. Hello, sorry. The General Motor installed the first spot welding robot at its Lordstown assembly plant in 1969. Okay, if you see here, the robots boosted productivity and allowed more than 90% of body welding operations to be automated versus only 20% to 40% at traditional plants, where welding was a manual, dirty, and dangerous task dominated by large jigs and the fixtures. Okay, you can see here a spot welding robot. General Motor introduced spot welding robots. Okay, in 1969. Okay, in that 90% work is done by body work is done by car body work is done by these robots only. Okay, next after that, robot vision for mobile robot guidance in demonstrated at a Stanford Research Institute in 1969. After that, it is developed in 1969. The robot vision for mobile robot guidance is demonstrated. Okay, you can see this picture in that you can find the this robot visions. Okay, mobile robots. Okay, having wheels to that robot. Previously, it is fixed at one point, but it is moving. Okay, from one place to the another place. Okay, next one is the after that, Norway offers the first commercial painting robot. Okay, this one is the painting robot. It is developed at 1969. Okay, first it is developed for the spot welding. After that, it is developed for the painting purpose. Okay, next robot it is developed by painting purpose. It is 1969. After that, you can see here Unimate robot enters Japanese market. Okay, after that, in Japanese market also it is introduced some robot in 1969. Okay, you can see the picture of this one. Okay, such kind of a robot. It is developed in Japanese. Okay, and you can see here. Let we see whether this having video. Doesn't having any video related to that. Okay, next one is the you can go to the YouTube and you can search Unimate robots entered in or Japanese Unimate robots. You can type there, you can get the videos related to that. Okay, we will check whether we can get the robots. You can check that. You can get somewhere. Okay, तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी मिळून जाईल. Okay, it is a start. The first robot it is developed by Japanese in 1969. Okay, 1969 मध्ये हा डेव्हलप केलेला. After that, Hitachi in Japan developed the world's first vision-based fully automatic intelligence robot that assembles objects from the plain drawings. Okay, when it is 1969 only. Okay, 1969 मध्येच हा हिताचीनी डेव्हलप केलेला आहे. The robot could build blocks based on information created from the direct visual image of assembly and plain drawing. Okay, it will develop for the drawing purpose. Next one is the first production line with hydraulic actuated robot at developed by okay Baines. Okay, 1971. Okay, आता प्रोडक्शन लाईनला तुम्ही बघू शकता या ठिकाणी की पहिला बेंझनी काय केलेलं तर इंट्रोड्यूस केलेलं कधी केलेलं आहे तर 1971. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दॅट जापनीज रोबोट असोसिएशन जिरा later Jira was established in 1971. Okay, the Japanese, the first association they have developed related to the robot. Which one is the Jira? Jira is the first robot association from Japanese only. Okay, after that, it is a different organization is created like ISO, IFR. We have seen. The first national robot association is developed by Japanese only. Okay, and it is developed in 1971. 1971 मध्ये developed केले. Next after that, okay, robot production line installed in Europe. Okay, after that 1972 it is developed by robot production line installation in Europe. Okay, Fiat in Italy and Nissan in Japan. Okay, Fiat. Okay, you have seen Fiat vehicles. Okay, it is in that Fiat vehicles. It is the first production line robots are used, and as well as in Nissan vehicles also it is used the production line robots. Okay, when 1972 1972 मध्ये डेव्हलप केले. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट रोबोट टू हॅव 6 electromechanical driven axis. Okay, KUKA moves from using inanimate robots to the development their own robots. Okay, and in that you can see there 6 electromechanical driven axis. 6 axis means that a robot having, okay, 3 rotational and 3 transverse axis of the motions. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा त्यांनी काय केले तर 6 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम वी हॅव सीन. 6 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम माहित असेल सगळ्यांना. कुठल्या कुठल्या असतात? 3 रोटेशनल अँड 3 मूव्हिंग. Okay, similarly means along x y z axis we can rotate that robot arm, as well as we can transverse that, okay, along x y and z. Okay, next one is the after that 1973 next robot it is developed in Stanford. Okay, Stanford मध्ये 1973 USA मध्ये हा रोबोट डेव्हलप केलेला आहे. ओके, and it is developed perform small part assembly using feedback for the touch and pressure sensors. Okay, and this robot in that robot it is used some sensors like pressure sensor. Okay, and developed in Stanford arm. Okay, next after that again 1973 Hitachi developed the automatic bolting robot for the concrete pile and pole industry. Okay, in pole industry next robot was developed. Okay, when 1973 the robot was the first industrial robot with a dynamical vision sensors for moving object. It is recognize a bolt on a mold while it is moving and faster. Okay, means to bolting purpose Hitachi has used this bolting purpose robots, okay, in pile and pole industry. Next, after that, 1973, mini computer control the industrial robot comes to market. Okay, 1973, yes, 1974 नंतर काय केले तर okay, computer operated robots are developed. Okay, the first commercial available mini computer controlled industrial robot was developed by Richard Hahn. Okay, this is developed by again 1974 it is developed. Okay, next after that 1974 the first arc welding robot go to the work in Japan. Okay, after that in Japan also the welding part to do the welding, okay, they are using the robots. Okay, because it is a dangerous and tedious job to do the work. Okay, for that fabrication purpose they are using this robots, welding robots. After that the in 1974 the first fully electrical microprocessor control industrial robot IRB6 from ASEA. Okay, means in that robot they are using the all motors to the moving parts. Okay, servo motors, electric motors they are using to move that robot, as well as they are using the microprocessor to control that robot. Okay, when it is developed in 1974. Next one is the 1974 again in Japanese also developed the first precision insertion control robot, high T hand expert. Okay, you can see here. This robot had a flexible wrist mechanism and force feedback control system. Therefore, it could insert mechanical parts which are clearance of about 10 microns. Means smaller microns also this robot can do the work. Okay, that kind of work robots is developed by Japanese in 1974. Okay, 1974 मध्ये develop केलेला आहे. Next, after that 1975. Okay, next Sigma Cartesian coordinate robot is one of the first used in the assembly application. Okay, Sigma robot used in Italy for assembly operation with two hands. Okay, in that Cartesian coordinate robots are developed for the assembly purpose in Italy. Okay, assembly purpose साठी इटलीमध्ये सिग्मा हा रोबोट त्या ठिकाणी यूज केलेला आहे. अँड दॅट सिग्मा इट इज robot is Cartesian used in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, next it is developed in 1975. After that, again 1975 only, ABB developed an industrial robot with a payload up to 60 kg. Okay, means payload means load which can, okay, having 60 kg. Okay, 60 kg load असणाऱ्या तो लिफ्ट करणारा त्या ठिकाणी डेव्हलप केले. दिस मीट द डिमांड ऑफ द automotive industry for more payload for flexibility. The robot called as IRB60 was first developed to Saab in Sweden. Okay, again it is for welding car bodies. कार बॉडी वेल्डिंग करण्यासाठी हा रोबोट यूज केलेला आहे. कुठे यूज केलेला आहे तर स्वीडन मध्ये. Okay, it is used in the Sweden only. Okay, similarly again 1975 Hitachi has developed the first sensor based arc welding robot. Okay, again after that Japanese also done huge work on the robotics. Okay, you can see that in industrial sector that Japanese having more development. 1975 the robot is equipped with a microprocessor gap sensors to correct arc welding path by detecting precise location of workpiece. Okay, these are the, you can see the remaining robots we will see in next lecture. We'll take attendance first and then we will end our session. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. I will take the remaining robots we will see in, yeah, after 1975. Those robots developed we will see in next lecture and we will end. Okay, first we will take the attendance. Today's date 22. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, present. Roll number 2. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 3. Roll number 3. Roll number 3 is absent. 4. Roll number 4. Absent.
Yes, sir.
Roll number
Yes, sir.
4 is present. Next, 5th. Vaishali.
Yes, sir.
Vaishali is present. Next, roll number 6. Dhanashri
Yes, sir.
present.
Yes, sir.
7. Karuna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
8. Prajakta.
Yes, sir.
9. Adesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, roll number 10. Bansode Anish.
Yes, sir.
11. Bapat Vinayak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Roll number 12. Bhosle Ritik. Bhosle absent. Next, roll number 13. भोसले वैभव. वैभव absent. देशमुख प्रतीक. Roll number 14 absent. धोत्रे सौरभ. धोत्रे सौरभ absent. दीक्षित.
Yes, sir.
दीक्षित is present. गायकवाड.
Yes, sir.
Next गवळी सूरज. गवळी सूरज. सूरज absent. वाघमोडे चेतन. वाघमोडे. वाघमोडे धोंडीराम. कदम निलेश.
Present, sir.
खोत अभिजित. खोत. कुलकर्णी. कुलकर्णी. दोंडे वैभव.
Yes, sir.
मधने अविनाश. मधने. माळी अमोल.
Present, sir.
ओंकार. माशाल तो ओंकार. ओंकार absent. मेटकरी ओम.
Yes, sir.
मुलानी अमन. नागटिळक. हर्षल.
Present, sir.
ननवरे जयदेव.
Present, sir.
निकम सौरभ. रिदम परमर. रिदम absent. पाटील मदन. पाटील absent. पाटील योगेश.
Yes, sir.
पाटील योगेश is there. पाटील संतोष. संतोष is there. पाटील संतोष. योगेश was present. पवार ओंकार.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट पवार सौरभ. शुभम. पवार शुभम absent. राज. राय. यस आहेत का absent. रोहित दत्तात्रय. रोहित 41.
Yes, sir. 41
42.
present, sir.
41 present. Okay. 42. सरक. सरक काशली. सरवळे अनिकेत.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present.
Who is this one?
43.
Yes. 42. सरवळे अनिकेत. Okay. शेख आफ्ताब.
Present, sir. Present.
Present. Next one. Sheikh Salim. Sheikh Salim. Absent.
Present, sir.
Sheikh Salim. Sheikh Salim. शिंदे दीपक.
45.
मंडल प्रेझेंट. शेख सलीम. ओके. शिंदे दीपक. शिंदे आहेत का? शिंदे नानासाहेब.
Yes, sir.
शिंदे विश्वजित. चितोळे ज्ञानेश्वर. चितोळे उबाळे हर्षवर्धन.
Present, sir.
काऊर मोहित.
Present, sir.
केंगार सचिन.
sir.
लंगोटे कृष्णा. लंगोटे absent. विदाते
Yes, sir.
वाडेकर सौरभ,
Yes, sir.
आकाश अजगर आकाश, अवताडे योगेश, योगेश बागुल,
Present, sir.
बंधारे प्रणव,
Yes, sir.
दाभाडे अविनाश, रोल नंबर 60 अविनाश, 61 डेरे रुपेश,
Yes, sir.
रुपेश
Yes, sir.
रुपेश आहेत का?
Yes, sir.
इकमल्ली,
Present, sir.
गायकवाड सौरभ, गायकवाड, गंथडे विशाल, जाधव सुशांत,
Present, sir.
जगताप ओंकार,
Yes, sir.
कोळी आकाश, कोळी आकाश, लवटे दशरथ, लवटे दशरथ, लोंढे अविनाश, लोंढे अविनाश, माने आकाश,
Present, sir.
माने, काळे ओंकार, काळे ओंकार 71 absent. देवकर शुभम, देवकर शुभम absent. जगताप वैभव, सलगर रोहित, सलगर absent. वाळुसकर ऋषिकेश absent. अमित येले absent. सुमित रोल नंबर 77 पाटील हर्षदा,
Yes, sir.
ओके. माळी सुदर्शन,
Present, sir.
माळी सुदर्शन
Present, sir.
आणि माळी ना, माळी बोलते ना, माळी सुदर्शन
Yes, sir.
आणि खंदारे नित्यानंद आहेत का? खंदारे रोल नंबर 80 ओके. थँक्यू. यू कॅन
Sir, roll number 29 present, sir.
रोल नंबर 29
29, sir. 29.
ओके. मुलानी अमन
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तुम्ही प्रेझेंट का दिली नाही?
लॅपटॉपचा मायक्रोफोनच चालू झाला नाही, मग मोबाईल वरून कनेक्ट केलंय.
ओके ठीक आहे. ओके ओके. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.